This video about one of my favorite websites, Sporties.com. And I'll be honest, I've been a customer of Sporties, bought a few things here and there. I had no idea the extent of this website and what they offer. Not only do they sell the best of the best in aviation products, they're passionate about teaching the next generation of pilots in a safe, easy, and more fun environment. Clicking on the Learn to Fly drop-down from the homepage, you'll see some of the courses they offer. If you're a private pilot struggling with the ground study, look into some of these online courses. It includes dynamic in-flight videos and interactive written test prep to get you ready for that big day. And they back it up with the Sporty's triple guarantee, meaning pass all 3 tests or get your money back: the written test, the oral exam, and the flight test. If you're looking for a new headset, they've got really great deals and even better customer service to guide you through your purchase. Under the apparel guide, all kinds of great merchandise for men, women, kids, even furry friends. Then over here, under the Pilot Training Plus tab, this is a great opportunity to keep your flying skills sharp through this membership that includes a library of award-winning video courses. That way you can learn from anywhere on your phone, tablet, or laptop. I'll leave a link to this video in the description below so you can learn more about it. Also, be sure to check out Sporty's iPad pilot news to really stay in the know. You'll find fun articles, quizzes to keep you on point, and a newsletter to keep you up to date while flying with the iPad, written by active GA pilots flying with tablets. Sporty's even has their own flight school in Batavia, Ohio. Go to sportiesacademy.com and you can see the various courses they offer. They don't have helicopters just yet, but this is still a great way to get into aviation. Click on that contact button and then you can take a tour. You can see some of the airport facilities. This is a great way to virtually check out the campus. So there you have it. Sporty's just an incredible company. They've got not only great products, but they're passionate about supporting the next generation of pilots, maintenance technicians, and engineers. Sporty's has been serving pilots in the industry worldwide for over 62 years.